Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to take you through a step-by-step guide on using generated photos. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect image for your project, this platform is about to become your new best friend. Let's dive in. First off, when you land on the Generated Photos website, you're greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface. It's super easy to navigate, which is a huge plus. You'll notice a search bar right at the top. This is where the magic begins. Step 1 is to think about what you need. Are you looking for a specific age range, gender, or even a particular expression? The beauty of generated photos is that you can filter your search based on these criteria. For instance, if you need an image of a young woman smiling, just type that into the search bar. Next, once you hit enter, you'll see a variety of images pop up. This is where the platform shines. Each photo is unique, and you can scroll through the options to find the one that resonates with your project. Take your time here, there are thousands of faces to explore. Now, let's say you find an image you love. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a detailed view. Here, you can see the image in high resolution, and you'll also have the option to adjust the image further by selecting different attributes. Want a different hairstyle or eye color? You can tweak those features right here. Once you've got the perfect image, it's time to download. Simply click the download button, and you'll have the option to choose your desired resolution. This is great because it means you can get exactly what you need for your project, whether it's for a website, social media, or print. Another fantastic aspect of generated photos is that all images are royalty-free. This means you can use them without worrying about copyright issues. That's a huge relief, especially for content creators and marketers. In conclusion, generated photos is an incredibly powerful tool that makes finding the right images a breeze. With its customizable search options and vast library, you can easily create visuals that fit your needs perfectly. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to the hero of our today's video.